Do you think design is just one ingredient of an app? We at Pace Wisdom believe that design is the recipe. Great design is critical to the success of any product. We take your vision of an app to a final product so amazing that it transcends your expectations and imagination. Let us show you how an extraordinary app is designed. Right from the word go, we engage our clients deeply during every step in the process to build an information architecture. Then we build the skeleton of the app, that is the wireframe. Wireframes let you see exactly what you are building. They give you immediate feedback about what's working and what's not. We spend adequate time doing research and sketching layouts so that when we sit for the visual design process, we know exactly how the final design must look and work. By thoroughly analyzing the target audience, we create user-centric and pixel-perfect designs. User interaction increases by adding smooth and delightful animation. Seamless transitions between screens can pack a powerful punch. Icons are small, but they are critical to user engagement. The detailing of an icon reflects the aesthetics of the entire app. App icons are designed to be beautiful, memorable, and stand out from the crowd. Colors set the mood of the design. That is one of the first things that you notice in an app, and we choose them with great care. Every aspect of typography is taken care of. Case, color, style, proportions, and positioning are perfected to convey the meaning that you want. Our idea of creative design is to keep things simple, consistent, and expressive at the same time. Our design engineers are molded by this design philosophy to deliver aesthetically pleasing and a most tangible experience across all platforms. Besides design, we also love having coffee and make you animal noises. If you have an idea, let's discuss, or at least we can have a coffee together. Pace Wisdom, caring for your design needs, pixel